Alright everybody, what's going on? We're doing the demo of the week. And for this week, I chose to do the Wolf Among Us. This is a Telltale game. I only got the demo, of course, because it's the demo of the week. After, yeah, let's play the demo. Now, I don't know how long this is, but, it's hot in here, holy shit. Sorry about that. But, yeah, the Walking Dead game from Telltale was just fucking fantastic. So, let's get things started here. This game series adapts to the choices you make, motherfucker. The story is tailored to how you play. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale characters known as Fabletown, nigga. Fabletown was fucking through those use of magic spell called a blah blah blah. They have been protected, their secret community, from the mundane world. Sheriff Big Penis Wolf protects them from each other. Big Penis Wolf, that sounds right. This is my first time playing this, but it can't be that different. Telltale game, playing. Oh, DC Entertainment. Again, I apologize for the quality of the videos. I am working on getting a hold of some better shit. And yeah, it's probably gonna take longer than I want it to, but you know what? It's gonna happen eventually. After the 2 videos I put out, I got 9 subscribers back and almost 50 views. I really appreciate that more than you guys know. I'd like to get pretty far with this. I mean, really. I'll continue that sentence at a later time. That or I'll forget. Fuck. Where's my lighter? Where's my lighter? Pyramid. Alright, the tenement building, South Bronx. Sometime after midnight. Oh, there's that guy. He's online now.
Mr. Toad. Shit. Bigby! Listen, mate. I know I don't look human. It's a problem. I get it. I'll just step out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this truck shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get the glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. I need to kick up a fuss.
I'm looking at a 3-foot toad.
I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that. You can't send me out to live with those animals. You know what I mean? Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Go see a witch.
Mate. The quality of the spell goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
Silence.
It's not even really on this point. You're telling me to get it together. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
What the fuck?
Fucking hell.
Huh.
See? This is what I told you about.
Fucking hell.
You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
Alright, balls deep. Here we go.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Let's fucking do this. I look like Wolverine. Hugh Jackman.
Pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Get the fuck back inside. Liking this game a lot so far. I might buy this. I love dialogue where they say fuck a lot. It makes me feel right at home. Oh, here we go.
You're gonna know I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me.
Huh. Okay. Fire. Phone. Door. Yeah, I should probably address this first. Knock, knock, motherfucker. What's going on in here?
God damn you! Know what? Whoa, hey!
Whoa.
You got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
Nice.
I'll fucking kill you! You fucker! What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Beat the fuck out of you.
Woody, I'm gonna break your fucking face. It's not a fact.
I'm gonna break your fucking
It's
face.
a fact. You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. It's not how it went last time. This isn't last time.
Fuck. Shit. Bitch tits. Fuck.
That whore's gonna watch me kill you. And it'll be her turn.
There we go. As I said, I haven't never played the first Walking Dead. The Walking Dead Telltale game, so I'm gonna be a little... Shit. Fuck! Sweet baby Lord Jesus. Oh shit, in my pants. Oh. Fuck. Fuck. Bitch. Oh. Niggle. Oh, fuck. Yep, saw that coming. Shit! Bitch! Fuck you!
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting sick, Liz. I'll fucking put you in the ground. Do you hear me? Hey, can't be nice. I'm gonna make you wait outside. Oh, fucking shit. You won't let go, bastard. And still you talk. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, Curly. Knock it off.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
Are you alright?
I'm hunky-dory.
I'm hunky-dory. What's your name?
What's your name?
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
I'll make this more difficult
Huh.
than it has to be.
That's fun.
Sorry, Sheriff. Wouldn't want to add any difficulty to your night.
Why was he hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. Thought about cover it, hon?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved the little
This
Red
dude is a
Riding
prick.
Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch.
Fuck you.
Hey, what did I say? I said be nice, or you wait outside. Come on.
Haha. This was clearly the better choice. Fuck you. Loading screen. Alright. Hangover 5. A Wolf Among Us.
Shit.
He's dead, right? Oh, there's Frogger.
Hey, Toad. My God.
Kermit the Frogger.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable. So,
How's your
how
insurance?
good is your insurance?
Yep.
Don't be mad at you. I called you, and you came to help. I can't be mad. And even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
This dude is a cock.
At least you're not fucking
Sucker. Why can't you die? Fat fuck. God damn. Holy shit. This is great.
I know you're fucking in there. Come on, you fucking dog. I'll let you out of your misery. You fucking dog.
Come on. Fuck. Fuck. Fucking Jews. Oh shit, what's happening now? Awesome. Best whore ever. I was about to die, probably. I was probably about to die. Is that it? I hope it's not it. That was great, though. That was awesome. Alright, what's happening now? Oh, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, fuck. Alright, everyone. Well, I guess that's it for the Wolf Among Us now. This has been Modmaster M. Thanks for watching, everybody. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything all week. I'll do my best too. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to get me out there. Share the videos in a couple different places. You know, I'd appreciate it more than you guys would know. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I'm Modmaster M, and I'm out.